So I got 6 orders to get out today. This one will be going out sometime next week. But yeah, back with another packaging video. So the first order that we're going to be packing up is a wholesale order, squeeze tube wholesale. And she ordered 20 squeeze tubes. Let's just go ahead and make sure we got everything correct. So she ordered 5 for keeps, which is this gloss right here, real pretty. Boom, straight like that. Then she ordered 5 sun kiss, which is this one. 5 obsessed. And then 5 gold digger. Boom. So in total that makes 20. All right, so these 20 glosses can fit in this box. It's a little messy because I had the glosses laid up in here. So I have 1 wholesale order to package up, which is this one, and then I have 2 lip gloss kit orders, and then the rest are like regular orders, just squeeze tubes, and then I have one with squeeze tube and lip scrubs, and then one with the squeeze tube and a wand tube. So yeah, we got a variety this time, which I'm happy about. My new glosses have released. They're up on the site. You can go purchase them, and I guess I can show y'all them. So these are my new and improved nude glosses. They have changed from the old ones. They are now pigmented, and I think these ones are better than the old ones. I had to change my vendor because the vendor that I had before, she stopped selling the pigments that I used. So y'all, the post office is closed right now. They closed for like lunch at 2 o'clock, and then they open back up at 3. So I'm waiting for the post office to open back up. I'm trying to see if my tape will get here before I go to the post office. I'm really hoping that it does, because I want to tape up my boxes with my new tape. And I ordered that from, I actually can't remember. Wow. Once it gets here, I will definitely show y'all. Even if I already sent the packages to the post office, I'll still show y'all. This is how it's looking so far. Real pretty. So everybody be sleeping on Boss Bed. Everybody be sleeping on a gloss Boss Bed. I'm gonna need some orders for Boss Bed, okay? But I mean, this is a pretty combo though. But everybody be sleeping on Boss Bed. All right, so this is how her order looks. Focus, there we go. This is how her order looks. Real pretty for keeps, gold digger, sun kiss, and obsessed. So I'm actually gonna leave it out for right now because I want to like make a quick video for my story, my Insta story, showing all the orders. So I'm gonna just package everything up and then make videos, and then, you know, put them in the boxes and stuff. And I also have to print out the package slips. All right, y'all, so my package actually just got here. And it's from, what is this? Sticker Mule, that's what it's called. But it's in this little box. Yeah, I hope this is cute. I hope it's cute. I guess I could do like an unboxing. Oh, I see the pink. Do y'all see the pink? Do y'all see it? What is this? Okay, it says, what is it saying? Oh, it's a sponge. It says sponge included before water, after water. Cut tape to desired length. Wet the adhesive side with the wet sponge. Apply the tape to your packaging. So we gotta do it like that. It's not sticker. Okay, that's cool. And it come with a little sticker. Cute. Little logo. Okay. Oh, look at it. This This is gonna be so cute on the boxes, y'all. So if y'all want this tape, Nice Beauty Bar tape, y'all need to order Wholesale or a lip gloss kit, the jars, and they'll come in boxes, and y'all get this tape. Hopefully I don't run out anytime soon, but this is how it looks. It's so cute, and it says Nice Beauty Bar. This is my logo, just a plain, like I told y'all in my inventory haul. I don't like to do too much. I like for everything to be simple, so it's just pink and white, Nice Beauty Bar. And I'm gonna show y'all how it looked once I tape up the boxes. This is a lot actually. So like I said, this is from Sticker Mule. This is the website. Well, this is the company. Just put stickermule.com and it'll come up. And I got the cheapest one, the cheapest option. I'll be putting y'all on game, okay? So yeah. Now let's get back to our regular scheduled program. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So nice. So boom. Got the squeeze tubes right there, the squeezies. And then we got the wand tubes right here. So if you don't know, I'm about to put you on. So all these glosses right here are discontinued. So once they're sold out, there is no more of this. And they're all on sale. So if you're interested in some color glosses, shop all of this, okay? We're trying to get rid of this. Trying to get them gone. Y'all can order as many as you want, okay? Just rack up on the glosses. They're all pretty colored. My new website is so pretty. So I decided to go with Wix.com, which I actually told y'all about in my inventory haul video. If you haven't checked that out, check it out. But yeah, I talked about that. So I decided to go with Wix.com, and I love the website. I actually ended up purchasing my domain and everything, but I'll talk about all that in a different video because I'm gonna discuss. I guess I could do like a video. I don't know why I'm so excited right now. I'm gonna do a video giving y'all tips and advice and like helping y'all out with stuff, because I would say I learned all this on my own. I didn't ask for help or anything. I want to do it by myself, but I can help y'all. So anyways, she ordered Free Spirited, Aquarius, and Boss Bee. So that one is this right here, a pretty purple color. And then Boss Bee, I think one of my glosses actually open. Boss Bee is this one right here. So she ordered 2 purple glosses. And this is how it looks. Y'all, this is my old logo. Y'all see it's messed up now. We're gonna get some logos. We got to, because we're doing it big now, okay? All right, so that's that for this. I'm gonna put that right there. Okay, y'all, look, she was about to get 2 glosses and she definitely ordered 3. That's why you always have to double check so you don't send somebody the wrong stuff or not the right amount. So she ordered 2 Boss Bee glosses and Free Spirited Aquarius, and I'm gonna wipe them off with my wipe just to make sure they're clean. Now we're gonna get it packaged up. And y'all, I'm on my last set of my old business cards. I have just enough. I got 7 orders. Even though I'm only shipping out 6 today, but I got 7 orders and I got 7 business cards left. And then I'll start using my new ones. Just put that right there. All right, so we're gonna put that right here. So that's the second order. So these are the gloss that she ordered: Gold Digger, Obsessed, Simplicity, and Sunkissed. The next order is a lip gloss kit, and she ordered all the pigments. So let's go ahead and do that. So the starter kits are actually out of stock right now, but by the time this video goes up, they'll be back in stock. I just have to make some more of the gloss pouches. And just so y'all can see, this is a 6-ounce bag of gloss base, 6.1. All right, so for the starter kit, you get a 6-ounce bag of gloss base. I'm gonna just put it up like this for right now because I gotta get the other stuff ready. You get 1 syringe, and if you order all the pigments, then you get more than 3 pipettes. So I'm gonna send her 6. So you get 6 pipettes if you order all the pigments, and if you just order 1 pigment, you'll get 1. These are all 5 pigments. You get 10 squeeze tubes, and I put my squeeze tubes in this drawstring bag. You get a random flavoring oil. Let's see, banana cream. I hope she liked the smell. For the rest of the stuff, since I don't really want it to be laying out, I put it into this bag. This is how it's looking so far. I just have to add the tops inside of here, and this is how it looks. It's about to be 4 o'clock in 5 minutes, and the post office closed at 4:30, so I'm trying to hurry up. So she ordered 2 Gold Diggers and 2 Sunkisses, and then she ordered the last of the blueberry lip scrubs. These are discontinued for regular purchase. Okay, now we're on to the last order, which is the last lip gloss kit. Since I already showed y'all how I package it up, I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna talk because I want to get this done. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and make my little video for my Instagram. I wish it wasn't messed up right there. But I think the shipping label is gonna cover it up. So this is how it looks, y'all. It's so cute. It's so pretty. I have to get some pictures. I have to. Alright, y'all, so I actually did the packaged up the regular orders off camera. I already had the shipping labels on the front. So now I just have to add the stickers and close it up. Once I get rid of all my colorful bubble mailers, I'm gonna get some white ones, some pink ones. I'm gonna try to find some pink and white striped bubble mailers. And then I checked on Sticker Mule for the bubble mailers so I could put my logo on them. Them things is expensive, but I want them. So once I use up all these ones, I'm gonna go ahead and get those just so that everything can be like, you know, matchy matchy. But when I had first started my business, I was just buying any and everything because it was cute. So I got a whole bunch of different color bubble mailers. But now, I don't know, I just want everything to match. So boom, everything is packaged up. So this is the end of the video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Excuse the mess in the back.